These plants were grown from cuttings. They flowered in the first year. Take pencil thick stem cuttings from last year's growth from a healthy hibiscus tree. Take cuttings from previous year's growth. First, take a small pot having many holes at its bottom to drain excess water. Standing water in the pot will rot the cuttings, resulting in failure. Next step is to prepare rooting soil mixture. Rooting medium should not hold water. So mix some river sand in the potting soil to make the soil free draining. You can use seed raising soil or any other free draining soil mixture. Do not mix any manure or fertilizer as there are no roots on the cuttings. Fill the pot with this soil mixture. Water the soil thoroughly to wet it at all the places. Place the pot in shade for half an hour to drain excess water. Prepare cuttings. Cut the stem into 6 to 8 inch long cuttings. Remove all the lower leaves. You can keep a few upper leaves. Before planting cuttings, you may apply a chemical rooting hormone or aloe vera gel on the cuttings. This step is not essential, but if you apply hormone, then it will promote roots. If you do not use a rooting hormone, then plant 5 to 6 cuttings so that at least 2-3 will root. Lightly scrape the cuttings, apply rooting hormone and plant the cutting. You can plant more than one cuttings in the same pot. Do not water again. Enclose the pot in a polythene bag to create high humidity around the cuttings. This is like a mini greenhouse. Place the bag in shade at a warm place. Open the bag every 10 days and spray some water on soil if it looks dry. Remove fallen leaves and also any cutting that has turned black. Close the bag again. New growth will emerge in 3 to 8 weeks depending on the temperature. After 3 weeks, new growth has started to emerge. Tuck the cutting slightly. If it offers resistance, that means roots have started to grow. These cuttings do not move easily, showing roots have started to grow. These cuttings move easily, showing roots have yet not started to grow. Continue the cuttings in the bag for at least 3 more weeks to grow strong roots. Then expose the cuttings in the morning sun for a week. After 3 more weeks, roots have developed. See the roots coming out of the bottom holes of the pot. Then you can transplant the cuttings in pots or in ground. This is the hibiscus plant grown from the cutting which has produced flower in less than 1 year. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to know when the new videos are uploaded. Also, please like the video.